Alright, you got yourself a great topic, your bike's fueled up, you got your gear on, you got your helmet on, you are heading out and you are going to do the ultimate moto vlog anybody has ever heard in their lives, except for one thing, your audio sucks. If this is a problem that regularly happens to you, we're going to fix it today with what's in this little bag. And it's only 99 bucks, and all it is that, a little microphone. Yep, Insta360 finally solved the moto vlog problem. Let's check it out.
This is the new Insta360 Mic Pro, and it can do an amazing amount of things. It has more specs and capabilities than anybody ever needed in a microphone, and honestly, I don't care about any of it. I only care about the fact that it sounds great inside of a helmet, and you can put your logo on it. So let's get this thing attached to my phone and give it a test.
To set this thing up, you're going to turn it on, and you'll see a blue light. There's the blue light. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hit this to connect it to our phone, and we're going to hit this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And it finds it, and you can connect. Alright, so this is just the Insta360 app, but here's the cool stuff. You can do custom wallpapers. So let me put my logo on there. Okay, set as wallpaper. Watch this. What? And at the end of it, you have a logo. That is so cool. And there's a bunch of other stuff that this can do. Your transmitter gain, which we're going to go ahead and put that all the way down. Tone mode, rich, we'll go standard. So now what we can do is get this out of the way. I'm going to turn the Bluetooth off. We're going to grab our camera. And we're going to go to settings on here, and we are going to go to Bluetooth. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. So it's blinking. And it should come up here in a minute. Oh, there it is. Okay, we're going to hit that. Okay, it is connected and enabled. And there it is. You can see the lines now. As I tap it, it's coming in. But what we want to do so that we get good clean audio. Audio settings. Dual track audio. Yes. Built in. Okay. So what it's going to do is it's going to send our voice to one channel and the built-in microphone to the second. So what's cool about that is if you're doing like lower speed stuff and everything, it gets pretty good motorcycle sound. So let's go to audio settings. We don't want that, we want voice enhancement. And then here we go. Okay, Bluetooth mic gain, we want all the way down to -18. And also our other external mic gain, we want all the way down because we're going to be driving fast. So that's pretty much it. This microphone should be set up. There it is, you can see it. Then we'll just put this in our helmet and we should get pretty decent audio quality. So let's go out and give it a try. I'm pretty excited about this. If you've ever tried to motovlog, you know how hard it is to get a microphone to sound good. I've tried 20 different microphones, dead cats, different gain settings, everything that you could possibly do. All the different DJI mics, as I showed you before this. So this is going to be interesting. So this thing is mounted to the chin curtain, facing forward underneath me. I have the gains all the way down on the camera, but no noise reduction on because it sounds weird with noise reduction. It cuts too much. So we've been cruising at about 35, 41, which most microphones can do okay in that type of environment. But it's once you get over 50 miles an hour that motovlogging becomes pretty hard to do and get a decent sound. Some guys don't care, other guys do, and I'd rather have good sound. So here we go. We're going up through the gears. We're gonna go. I'm not gonna go nuts, but I'll get up around 70 miles an hour because that's pretty realistic if you're motovlogging and you want to talk and do something. You might be on the highway. So right now we're doing 60, 62, 63. We're going up through 65. I guess we'll see how this sounds. This is a Bell Race Star helmet, so it's not the quietest helmet in the world. It's more of a racing helmet. So that's probably not helping the situation, but we'll see what it sounds like. So we're cruising at 65 in a headwind, almost like a side of, well, it's kind of a side headwind, so it's getting extra wind noise from all that. So we'll see what it sounds like, but I'm thinking that this should be pretty good. Now, if this thing sounds as good as it's supposed to, here's the best part. You can buy just the mic, and that's just what I did. This is not a sponsored video. I used my own money. It was 99 bucks, and it came in 2 days, and it is just the microphone by itself with the little bag. And the cool part is it'll connect to pretty much any Bluetooth camera that you have. So any camera that has the ability to connect the Bluetooth microphone, this will work with. It obviously works really, really well with the Insta360 cams. Another thing that's neat about this with an Insta360 cam is that you can get multiple channels. So you can get the microphone attached and have your voice completely clean, and then let the camera record its internal mic to the other channel. So if you have it set, it can get decent engine noises up to a certain speed, and at that point you're probably going to want to look for something else. So, alright, we're at a stop sign. I'm going to go before this guy. But I'm sure at this low speed it probably sounds great. But here, we're going to get on it. And I'm going to be talking to you as I'm flooring it here. So we're getting up through the gears. We're hitting 70, they're hitting 75. Alright, we're at 90 miles an hour. We're doing... There's 100 clams. And I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I can guarantee you on my other microphones you wouldn't have been able to at all. So, alright, now we're going back down. We're at 65. We're doing some cruising here and just talking. So, I don't know. We'll double check when we get back, but I think this might be the vlog game changer, guys.
Alright, if you're new to motovlogging, you won't understand why I'm so excited right now. That mic sounded great. And I mean, it's not perfect, but it is so much better than any other mic I've had. And when I tell you I've had other mics, I have a $400 Sennheiser wired mic from my production company. Sounded like crap. I bought the purple, or whatever they called it, the one that everybody else said for motovlogging, the wired one. This was okay with the dead cat directly in at a lower gain setting on the camera, but it still distorted at higher speeds. I tried DJI mics, 1, 2, 3, the other 3. I tried off-brand ones. I've tried every microphone, and they all are terrible. So when you can get the sound quality that this little guy is giving you for 99 bucks, again, this is not a sponsored video. I paid $99 for this. This is just the microphone. I didn't get anything else with it. And it pairs to my Insta360 cams, my actual 360 cam, the Ace Pro 2. This will also pair to my DJI cams as well. But I just wanted to keep it in the family, so we did it with the Insta360. And I mean, I think it sounds awesome. And then the bonus of having your logo on it, that's just cool. So save yourself some time. Believe me, I've tried so many different microphones. I've spent the last 25 years of my life doing video professionally. I was an audio engineer before that, so I know a little bit about audio, and I can tell you, this is so easy and simple. Just drop your gains, don't turn on the noise reduction, and put it somewhere inside the helmet where it's not directly in your face, and you should get decent audio. Save yourself some time and go out and get one of these things. Now, if you want to, I'll put an affiliate link down there. If you like my content and you want to support me, you can buy it and I get like a penny from it or something like that. But I bought it from Amazon too, so I'm just going to put the Amazon link down there. It was 99 bucks plus tax. Boom. Saved you so much time, and the audio quality is awesome. And I mean, it'll also internally record too. This thing, for 99 bucks, this thing is just great. So, all right. If it works, it ain't dumb. This totally worked. Nothing dumb about it. We'll see you guys on the next one.